Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this long extended ponytail on my friend. So if you're interested, continue watching. So her hair is already washed, it's blow dried, it's pressed out. So we're gonna get straight into this video. I am combing up her hair into a ponytail just to see where exactly she wants it. And once I figure out where exactly the ponytail is going to sit, I'm going to go and part out the middle section. That way I can mold it. So one thing about me, I like to work in sections. So I'm starting off with the middle of her head and I'm using a hair tie and I'm just putting that piece in a ponytail and going ahead with my got2b free spray and spraying it. Once I've sprayed all around it, I'm going to dry it with my blow dryer until it becomes not rock hard, but just solid enough for the ponytail to stay. So now I am brushing out her hairs that we're gonna leave out for her baby hairs because we want to be doing some extra baby hairs this time around. So I'm making sure it is out the way, and then I'm pulling back the front of her hair and using that got2b spray again and spraying it all over. And once I've sprayed it all over, you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth because once it dries with the blow dryer, it is hard to comb through. So you want to make sure that it is nice and smooth before you start drying the hair. Now I'm going in with the back section and I'm just doing the same method over and over again. You can work with as many sections as you want like this, or you don't even have to work with sections. Some people just catch the hair up and spray it and that is it. So it is all up to you, but this is how I like doing my ponytails. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is sprayed, blow dried, and up and one nice and smooth. So once all her hair is up, I'm just gonna go back ahead with the hairband and redo her ponytail. That way it is all nice and slick. So I'm applying the got2b free spray again. As you've seen, I combed through everything before when I redid the ponytail. So this is just to like finalize everything. I sprayed the got2b free spray everywhere and I'm just going in and blow drying it over again once it's all up in one. So for her braiding hair, I will be using some pre-stretched Expressions braiding hair. And I'm just showing you guys how I attach the braiding hair onto the ponytail. I use the same elastic that it came with and I just put it on differently so that way I can attach it onto the ponytail. And once I've attached it onto the ponytail, I literally just lay everything back and I take a small piece out to wrap around the band. Once I've separated that small piece, I go in with the 3 pieces for the braid. And I try to cover as much as the client's hair as I can. Well, this being my friend, I try not to make her natural hair show too much, but sometimes it is what it is. So yeah, I will be using the feed in method, so I will be adding in pieces as I go. This braid is going to be really long. She wanted a really long braid because she is tall. So yeah, just watch me as I work. So once I'm done the braid, I'm gonna go and do her wrap. So I always spray Got to Be Free spray on the braiding hair, and I just wrap it around. You want to make sure that the braiding hair is smooth, so just continue pulling your fingers through the hair, that way it doesn't look bumpy or lumpy, anything like that. So yeah, you're just gonna wrap it until there's no more left, and you're gonna stick that small piece, that finishing piece, right underneath the bottom, and that is it. So I spray more Got to Be Free spray and make it dry with the blow dryer, and your braid is basically done. Now I'm going in with my small flat iron and I'm just curling the front hairs that I left out for these extra looking baby hairs. So guys, I'm gonna keep it so real with you. I'm going in with my got2b free spray and my edge control brush because we did not have any edge control. So I was trying to figure out how we were gonna make her edges stay, but the got2b free spray was not doing it at all. It wasn't working. So I then tried to go in with an edge control, but the edge control that we did have was not cutting it at all. So there is one side that I did prefer more than the other, because what I realized was using the wax stick did a better job than the free spray and an edge control that never worked well with her hair. So I definitely did, well, both of us, because we both liked one side of the baby hairs better than the other, but we couldn't really change it because the edge control was like an oil base. One side was just set already. So yeah, that was basically it. But other than that, the hairstyle was really cute. It was really nice. So it took me a long while to figure out how I was doing these baby hairs because of the fact that we didn't have edge control. But besides that, this is basically the finished look. Like once her baby hairs were done, the hairstyle was done, we did the braid and all that good stuff. So I'm going in with my hot water and I'm going to dip her end because you don't want it to be like straight. So you want the braid to be relaxed. So I just went in and dipped the braid and dried it with a towel. I don't use boiling hot water all the time. Sometimes I mix the boiling hot water with like lukewarm water. So keep that in mind. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys like this style. This was the side that we liked very much. With the baby hairs, it looked very free flowing, but her braid was super long. It honestly did fit her though. So yeah, if you've been here this long, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more videos coming. Make sure you like this video and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this style. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.